Cryptocurrency security is crucial. Let's master 2FA setup on OKX to safeguard your digital wealth. OKX offers robust security measures, including cold storage and two-factor authentication for your peace of mind. Setting up 2FA on the OKX mobile app is simple. Let's walk through the process step by step. Enabling 2FA on the OKX website is equally important. We'll guide you through the process. Authenticator apps generate time-based codes, providing an extra layer of security for your OKX account. Properly storing your 2FA setup key is crucial. We'll share best practices for key management. Let's compare SMS-based 2FA with authenticator apps to help you choose the best method. We'll identify common 2FA setup mistakes and provide solutions to ensure foolproof security. Lost your authenticator device? Don't worry. We'll cover the secure process to reset your 2FA. Take control of your crypto security today. Click below to set up your OKX account.